Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Right after, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Then tap Add a new wallpaper. You'll see different wallpaper options including photos, emoji, weather, and more. So just choose the type of wallpaper that you want to use. Now, if you choose photos, you can select the picture that you want from your photo library. You can also customize the wallpaper by adding widgets, changing the style, or adjusting the photo. So for example, I want to choose emoji. So just simply click on get, and this will download the set of wallpaper for you. So as you can see, we have downloaded it. So just simply click on the wallpaper that you want to use. You can customize the wallpaper by adding widgets, changing the style, or adjusting the photo here. Then once you're finished, just tap Add on the top right corner of the screen. Then choose Set as Wallpaper Pair if you want to use it for both your lock screen and home screen. And once you're done, it should go ahead and automatically change the wallpaper on your iPhone. And that is just basically how you do it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.